Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Whimsical for team collaboration in 2026. Whether you're working with coworkers, clients, or classmates, Whimsical makes it easy to collaborate in real time. So let's get started. First, open Whimsical in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then open an existing board or create a new one from your dashboard. Next, click the **share** button in the top right corner. From here, you can invite teammates by entering their email addresses or generate a shareable link. Choose the permission level that works best, such as view, comment, or edit, if those options are available for your workspace. Once everyone has access, your team can work on the same board at the same time. You'll see updates appear live as people add shapes, edit text, leave comments, or organize ideas together. You can also use comments and mentions to give feedback or ask questions without leaving the board. This helps keep discussions connected to your work. When your project is finished, you can share the final version, export it as an image or PDF, or continue updating it whenever your team needs to make changes. And that's it. Now you know how to use Whimsical for team collaboration. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.